Hello guys, I'm Dr. Nikita, and as you all know, I'm a budding osteopath, but I'm also a physiotherapist. And today is World Physiotherapy Day, so I want to wish all the super physios out there and all the budding physiotherapists a very, very, very happy Physiotherapy Day. This profession actually holds a very, very special place in my heart, since it's very safe and very holistic approach towards patient. And I sometimes am very shocked when I hear people that they have so many different concepts about physiotherapy, and they are actually not very much familiar or very much clear about this concept. So today I'll be breaking few of the concepts and I'll be stating true facts about physiotherapy. So let's begin. So physiotherapy or any other manual therapy, according to me, is science of mobility. So wherever the movement stops, the disease progresses, the disorder begins. So physiotherapy protocol includes a lot of pain relieving modalities with exercises like strengthening and stretching exercises, which improves the strength of the muscles, which restores the lost range of motion, and also improves the overall functioning of the joint and brings stability in the body. There are few myths and few questions about physical therapy, physiotherapy. So I'm going to answer few of them. So the first one is physical therapy is only for injuries and accidents. Okay. So physical therapy is basically a very diverse health practice where we don't just improve the overall well-being of a person, but we also prevent few of the deformities. If we start at the right time when it is in the acute stage, and if it is done correctly, we can definitely prevent so many deformities. And yeah, it works beautifully on chronic pains where you don't have to pop a lot of medicines. It can be very well managed, very well handled, improved by physical therapy. So if you have any chronic issues, you should definitely see a nearest physiotherapist, or now I can say a nearest osteopath. So the second question is surgery the only option? So in many cases, no, the surgery is not the only option. Physical therapy definitely helps in improving many of the condition, many of the chronic conditions, and also prevent lot of deformities if it is started at the right time and done in a right way. So in my personal practice also, I have avoided so many surgeries of my patient where they come with knee problem, knee arthritis, hip arthritis, and I have given them a proper set of protocol, proper exercises to do. I have done the ergonomic changes in their lifestyle, and definitely they have avoided their surgeries, and they are really, really happy and doing really well. Bed rest is the best cure. So bed rest for some time is okay, but if you are too much resting, then that can worsen your pain even more, because there is no mobility again. So wherever the movement stops, the disease begins. So taking rest for some time is okay, but then you have to come out of a bed and you have to start doing some physical activity to avoid further problems. Any healthcare professional can perform physiotherapy? No. Physiotherapy should only and only be performed by a licensed physiotherapist. Do I need a doctor's reference to see a physiotherapist? No, you don't need a doctor's reference to see a physiotherapist. You can anytime approach a physiotherapist if you notice any kind of stiffness developing in your body, any kind of pain arising, if you are already in chronic pain, or if you have any kind of swelling which has started appearing on your body. So definitely you can anytime come visit a physiotherapist, because physiotherapy has its own assessment, has a proper protocol to approach such kind of conditions. So yeah, you don't need a reference, you can anytime come and visit us. What all conditions a physiotherapist can treat? Okay. So all type of body pains, joint stiffness, spasms, a frozen shoulder, post-operative cases, inflammatory joint diseases like cervical spondylitis, lumbar spondylitis, listhesis, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, pediatric conditions like autism, ADHD, cerebral palsy, developmental delays, stroke, paralysis, weakness, even gynecological problems like urine incontinence, or post delivery, if any women is suffering from back pain after delivery, or they have a lot of abdominal weakness, so we work on the strengthening of core muscles and also strengthening of pelvis so that they have a very healthy life, and many more conditions. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'm very grateful to be a part of such an amazing profession. And to conclude this video, I would just end with one line, that medicine can add years to your life, but a manual therapy can add life to all those years. Take care.